Meanwhile, West Indies coach Darren Sammy is remaining coy about the players being considered for the three-test home series for the Sir Frank Worrell Trophy against Australia, which bowls off in July.
West Indies white ball captain Shai has confirmed his interest in returning to Test cricket. However, coach Darren Sammy is holding back on revealing which others could join Hope.
I could tell you Shai has indicated that he does want to play Test cricket as well. So that's as far as I could give you.
There's nothing to share there, so I wouldn't really go into too far in depth with this one. But I'm certainly looking forward to playing some white close cricket. So if the opportunity arises again, I'll be happy to take it.
During the recent West Indies Championship, Hope, new appointed skipper Roston Chase, former skipper J.C. Holder, Kyle Myers and Brandon King were the white ball players who played games. Did Coach Sammy play any role in the quintet considering making themselves available to play Test cricket?
I would have had words with Roston. I would have had, some of the guys' agents would have reached out to me as to what is required as the test coach, the new test coach to earn selection and stuff like that. And one of the things that we said was, I communicated was, take part in our 40 championship. Give it some thought, give it some time.
Speaking on the Mason Guest show in Barbados in March, Holder stated his availability to play against Australia.
As a cricketer growing up, you always want to put yourself to the test against the best. Australia's obviously been one of the most consistent sides, not only in Test cricket, but in cricket in general, the last decade or so. So really looking forward to a possible opportunity there.
However, news has since emerged that the Los Angeles Knight Riders of Major League Cricket USC signed Holder, raising questions about his availability and others like Gudakesh Moti for the Test series as the dates clash. Director of Cricket with CWI Miles Bascom addressed the issue.
Up to this point, we have not received an NSC request for either of those individuals, neither Jason nor Moti.
Coach Sammy will have to consider all the above in picking the Test team for the Australia series. Daniel McLeod, TVJ Sports.